Greek salad recipe, Greek salad for weight loss. Ingredients quantity. Romaine lettuce or mixed salad greens. 4 cups, chopped, cucumber. 1 large or 2 small tomatoes. 2 large or 3 to 4 medium, diced. Red onion 1 small or 1/2 medium. Kalamata olives 1/2 cup, pitted and halved. Feta cheese 1/2 cup, crumbled. Pepperoncini peppers 1/4 cup, sliced. Fresh dill, optional, 2 tablespoons, chopped. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Extra virgin olive oil 1/4 cup. Dried oregano 1 teaspoon. Salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions. Preparing the vegetables. 1. Wash the tomatoes, cucumber, and green bell pepper under cold running water. 2. Dice the tomatoes and cucumber into bite-sized pieces and place them in a large salad bowl. 3. Dice the green bell pepper and thinly slice the red onion. 3. Add them to the bowl, adding the olives, feta cheese, and parsley. 1. Add the Kalamata olives to the salad bowl. 2. Sprinkle the freshly chopped parsley leaves on top. 3. Adjust the seasoning according to your preference. Making the dressing. 1. In a small bowl, whisk together the extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, dried oregano, minced garlic, lemon juice, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. 2. Continue whisking until the dressing is well combined. Dressing the salad. 1. Pour the dressing over the salad ingredients in the bowl. 2. Using salad tongs or clean hands, toss the salad gently to ensure that all the vegetables are coated with the dressing. Serving. 1. Divide the Greek salad among individual plates or serve it in a large salad bowl. 2. Optionally, garnish with a sprinkle of feta cheese and a few whole Kalamata olives on top. 3. Serve immediately and enjoy the fresh flavors of the Greek salad. Conclusion. A Greek salad is a delightful combination of fresh vegetables, tangy feta cheese, and briny Kalamata olives, all brought together with a simple olive oil dressing. Whether served as a side dish or a light meal, this classic Mediterranean salad is sure to impress. Feel free to customize your Greek salad by adding other ingredients such as thinly sliced radishes, pepperoncini peppers, or even grilled chicken for a heartier option. So, gather the ingredients, follow the steps, and enjoy the burst of flavors in every bite of this delicious Greek salad. Greek salad calories. The calorie content of a Greek salad can vary depending on the specific ingredients used and the portion size. However, I can provide you with a general estimation of the calories in a classic Greek salad with the ingredients listed in the recipe above. Here is an approximate breakdown of the calorie content of a Greek salad serving. Tomatoes, 2 large, approximately 50 to 60 calories. Cucumber, 1 medium, approximately 20 to 30 calories. Green bell pepper, 1 medium, approximately 20 to 30 calories. Red onion, 1 small, approximately 40 to 50 calories. Kalamata olives, 1 cup, approximately 150 to 180 calories. Feta cheese, 1 cup crumbled, approximately 300 to 400 calories. Fresh parsley leaves, 1/4 cup, approximately 5 to 10 calories. For the dressing, the calorie content can vary based on the quantities used and the specific brand or recipe. However, a typical Greek salad dressing serving, 2 tablespoons, can range from 100 to 150 calories. Please note that these are general estimates and the actual calorie content may differ based on the specific ingredients and brands used. If you are concerned about the calorie content of your Greek salad, it is recommended to check the nutrition labels of the ingredients you use or use a reliable online nutrition calculator to get a more accurate estimate.